Hey everyone, it's FTJ here with video number 2 on Monday. For this one, I'm going to do the 2016 just because I think 2016 obviously is a great year for all the Cowboys people out there and collectors. Alright, so this one is, I guess, exclusive college maybe draft picks. I think you have some alumni in here. And this one was, normally $20, but $15 at Walmart from the clearance section, which they have a lot there. I might go back and get some more. Alright, let's see. And you get 6 cards per pack, and you get 7 packs. And I never even check when this box is dated. February last year. That's what I like too. You get them early. And this is, I guess, all their college uniforms. Thomas Rawls, Hackenbush, Hackenberg. There was a Hackenbush, but I don't remember who that is. And I forgot what sport that is. Thinking maybe hockey, but I don't remember. Tyler Boyd. Jameis Winston. One of my favorite players because I'm a big Florida State fan since the 90s. Trey Madden. Carson Wentz. And I guess, it's good for me. I don't know every single player, so I just learned that he's from North Dakota University, Carson Wentz. Jason Witten, same thing. I never knew he was from Tennessee. Oh, signature, wow. Are you guaranteed a signature? Probably not, so that's good. And who is that? Kendall Fuller. Guess that's a good one. So at least I got an autograph. So, like I said, it's always good to hit up the clearance section. The last one's on the shelf. I get really lucky with the last ones on the shelf. So that's pretty good. Jordan Williams. So I might go back and check again, see what else is over there. And it's discounted. You get a signature for only $15. Todd Gurley. I'm just trying to see if anything else is numbered. Doesn't look like it is, though. Nelson Spruce. So that's good because you're not guaranteed a signature. So I got really lucky. I'll have to check out if that's worth anything on eBay or just hold on. A lot of them, I have a lot of autographs, but I'm just going to hold on to them for now and then decide what I'm going to do. Alright, Greg Olsen, Eddie Lacy, Devontae Booker. And like I said, it's good to learn where they're from. And a lot of them aren't even like big schools. Rob Gronkowski, like I didn't know he went to Arizona. Who's that? Nick Vanette. Derek Carr, Aaron Green, Farrell Cooper, South Carolina, Phillip Rivers, Michael Thomas, Joey Bosa. It's funny because I know the names. I don't know why I'm screwing it up. I think it's early in the morning. That's why. It's like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Charles Woodson. Melvin Gordon. Paxton Lynch. Odell Beckham. It's funny, they're all nice looking cards. I keep thinking like, oh, maybe this one's numbered, but it's not. They're nice looking cards. Hunter Henry. Look, 2 Henrys. Hunter Henry and Derrick Henry. Alright, 2 more packs. Maybe get another autograph. It's not going to be a relic or memorabilia or anything because they're both pretty thin. Ben Roethlisberger. Look at that, I was right. What are the odds? Wow. Thank God I got the box. $15, you get 2 autographs and pretty big name. Caleb Jones. Wow, you would think that I rigged this video or something. For $15 in a cheap blaster box. That's why I like the old one. Well, it's not even an old one. It's a new one. I was gonna say Panini doesn't put that many good things in the new ones anymore. Caleb Jones. I don't even know what team he's on in the NFL, if he's even on a team. But oh wow, there you go. Dak Prescott too. Nice box. Then I'll go in my Cowboys collection. Wow, it's a good day to start your good way to start your week. Dak Prescott, 2 autographs, maybe get a 3rd one. Matt Ryan, Connor Cook, and whoever that guy is. I never really heard of him, so he probably didn't really do good. Alright, last pack. I'm gonna try and make it quick because I usually try and keep my videos within 10 minutes. Both because of my my camera and because I don't want to keep talking about nonsense. Aaron Rodgers, Drew Brees, and Len Dawson. Demarcus Robinson, Le'Veon Bell, Kenyon Drake, and Ezekiel Elliott. What a nice box. Can't get any better than that. For $15, you literally cannot get any better. The only thing better that could be in here is like a Michael Jordan rookie card. So you get Ezekiel Elliott, Dak Prescott, 1 autograph. This is probably like the ultimate box. What else was in here? Where is he? Kendall Fuller. Wow, you literally cannot get any better, I don't think. Alright, that's it for now. 2 autographs, Dak Prescott, Ezekiel Elliott, all in the same box for $15 from Walmart. And I had a choice between Walmart and Target, and I chose Walmart. What a good choice. And this video isn't sponsored by Walmart either. But check out your local Walmart in the clearance section. You get some good hits. I got 2 more videos coming up later today. Alright, thanks. Thanks for watching. Have a nice week.